Introducing the 2022 Volvo Xc40 Rchrg PRO 5-door auto in stunning blue. This electric SUV offers a luxurious driving experience with top-of-the-line features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking. Safety is a priority with ABS, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags. Plus, enjoy the convenience of smart card entry, power boot close, and a refrigerated storage compartment. This vehicle is fully serviced, comes with a comprehensive warranty, and has undergone a thorough multi-point health and safety check. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website at Spirit Motor Group, RE, to learn more about the 2022 Volvo XC40 Rchrg PRO. Drive home in style and safety today.